welcome some students and faculty members of Western University, California. There we tried our best to make them feel like comfortable, like home.
I have been here with Chitkara University for about a week now. We've gone to the government hospital, we've gone to the private hospital, we've gone into the communities, we have gone to the children's school and hosted a health assessment.
Has been so gracious and has taught me so much. We went to a community village, and that was probably the highlight, getting to see what life is like, healthcare is like, and what kind of services are provided to people in rural villages in India.
They are very open in telling their culture, their curriculum to our students, and at the same time your nursing students also have this open mind and ask meaningful questions to learn in the process. On behalf of the College of Graduate Nursing and Western University of Health Sciences, we thank you so very much, and we hope to see you again soon, and we hope to come back next year, and hopefully you get to come and visit us as well.